session of Explore Exercise. Thanks for being here and coming back to be part of these sessions. So today the plan is to talk more about the reasons to exercise, going over the various benefits to exercise. And I guess what I would like to see at this point is, the intent of these sessions is really to give you more information and kind of get you started on your goals. And we're at a point where you can just use this information and use this as kind of a starting off point for your journey. But I really want you to kind of do a deeper dive into that, because with this information, along with your motivation and your reasons why you're doing these sessions and why you want to make the change now, is really kind of that sweet spot for you to gain the confidence that will keep you moving forward beyond these sessions and have you kind of make these changes lasting and have the impact be greater than just a few weeks of effort. It will be really a long-term, consistent goal of yours if you really can utilize these sessions to the intent of what they are. So we'll go more into the benefits of exercise beyond what I'm going to say to you. I think it's most important to kind of note what there's 3 different categories that I'm going to go into, but kind of just note from these slides what you want for yourself. Either if it's a conversation you've had with your doctor, or maybe a response to your bioscreen results, or just your overall health. What do you want from these, from working out and exercising, and maybe what are you looking to have more of? So kind of keep that as a mental note. Maybe printing off these slides and having that for yourself would be beneficial as well. So during this session, we're going to explore the various ways that exercise can be beneficial. As we go through the lists and these 3 topics, like I said, just take that note of what you personally want for yourself and or what you find that you would like to get out of exercise. Exercise is one of the most effective ways to improve your mental health. Regular exercise can have a positive impact on depression, anxiety, ADHD, and many more. It also relieves stress, improves memory, helps you sleep better, and it boosts your overall mood. People who exercise regularly tend to do so because it gives them an enormous sense of well-being. They feel more energetic throughout their day, they sleep better at night, they have sharper memories and feel more relaxed. They're positive about themselves and their lives. It's also powerful medicine for many common mental health challenges. Studies show that exercise can treat mild to moderate depression as effectively as an antidepressant medication, but it doesn't have the potential side effects of those strong medications. In addition to relieving depression symptoms, research also shows that maintaining an exercise schedule can prevent you from relapsing or from various relapses. Exercise is powerful depression fighting, is a powerful depression fighter for several reasons. It promotes all kinds of changes in the brain, including neural growth, reduces inflammation, and new activity patterns that promote feelings of calm and well-being. It also releases endorphins, which are those powerful chemicals in your brain that energize your spirits, lift your moods, make you feel better, those type of things. And finally, exercise can also just be a distraction from your day-to-day. It gives you some time out to kind of just think and break the cycle of, negative thoughts and feeling of depression. Have you ever noticed how you feel when you're under stress? Maybe your muscles are tense, maybe your face, neck, and shoulders are tense. You tend to maybe have headaches or neck pain. You might feel a tightness in your chest, increased pulse, some cramping. You may also have sleepless nights, heartburn, stomach aches, or other GI issues. The worry and discomfort of all these symptoms can in turn lead to even more stress, and it's kind of that vicious cycle between your mind and your body. Exercise is effective to breaking this cycle as well as releasing those endorphins into the brain. Physical activity helps to relax muscles and relieve tension in your body. Since the body and mind are so closely linked, when your body feels better, your mind will feel better. The next area is heart health benefits of exercise. Inactivity is one of the major risk factors for heart disease. However, exercise helps improve heart health and can even reverse some heart disease risk factors. Like all muscles, the heart becomes stronger as a result of exercise, so it can pump more blood through your body with every beat and continue working at its maximum level if needed with less strain. The resting heart rate of those who exercise is slower because less effort is needed to make the blood pump through your body. A person who exercises often and vigorously has the lowest risk for heart disease, but any amount of exercise is really beneficial. Something is better than nothing. Studies consistently find that light to moderate exercise is beneficial to people with existing heart disease. Anyone with heart disease or cardiac risk factors, though, should seek medical advice before starting any type of workout program. Exercise has a number of effects that benefit the heart and circulation, so that's the blood flow throughout your body. These benefits could be improving cholesterol levels, reducing inflammation in the arteries, helping weight loss, and helping keep blood vessels flexible and open. Studies continue to show that physical activity and avoiding high-fat foods are the two most successful means of reaching and maintaining heart-healthy levels of fitness and weight. The American Heart Association recommends 30 minutes of moderate intensity workouts each day or most days of the week, as well as the CDC, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, and the American College of Sports Medicine. All right. Next group of benefits is the weight benefit. One of the most commonly known benefits to exercise is weight loss. So kind of getting you to the place where you are able to benefit from weight loss with exercise, you must burn more calories than you consume. Exercise helps you do this, and the more you exercise, the less you need to reduce your food intake. So instead of eliminating 500 calories per day from your food choices alone, you can cut 250 calories from your daily diet and then work off the other 250 calories with an exercise routine. This may be even as simple as, removing one bag of chips from your diet, or going on the elliptical machine for 30 minutes. Those are kind of equivalent. So kind of putting that in perspective can really be impactful to your weight loss efforts. Aerobic activity or cardio activity is great for burning calories. So is strength training. It can help you lose weight. Increasing your muscle mass increases your metabolism, which then in turn burns more calories. So when you replace fat with muscle, your body burns more calories, and more calories at rest too. Okay, as we continue to tap into our motivation to make healthy changes, it's important to not only go through the motions of exercise, but also to pay attention to the positive impact. As we talk about the larger benefits to exercise that we may see over a course of a period of time, like decreasing your risk of heart disease or even seeing weight loss, it's also important to note the smaller changes that can be impacted by exercise. When I talk about smaller changes, I mean what is happening instantly. Instantly before you exercise and instantly right after you exercise. So when you take the steps to exercise, pay attention, note your energy level, note your mood, note your motivation. And I'd be willing to bet that 9 times out of 10, or even 99 times out of 100, you will increase these 3 areas with one workout. So my point is to kind of focus on the here and the now, day to day, exercise by exercise, and really tap into that motivation that, yeah, I know I'm going to feel better after I exercise. I'm going to have an increased energy level. I'm going to get more done. I'm going to be more productive. I'm going to be happier. I'm going to be more present with people around me, and I'm going to be motivated to do it again the next time around. So personally, I do work out in the mornings, and although I do have to say I'm not a morning person, but the struggle is real for me to get out of bed early enough to start my day. And, I do have to tap into knowing that once I can get up and out, get going on my exercise, I know by the time I'm done, or even, halfway into my exercise, these 3 are already impacted, not only instantaneously, but throughout my day. Like I said, I'm able to, be more productive. I don't have the weight hanging over my shoulders of getting my workout in later in the day. I'm more present with my family and my kids especially. I'm more motivated to get other things done in my day, and once again, more motivated to get up and get going the next morning. So just a few things to kind of tap into as you do your exercises on a regular basis. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today. For your session recap, I would ask of you to list 2 of the benefits that you hope to gain from regular exercise routine. And the second one is to kind of note a few feelings, or how you feel before you exercise and how you feel after you exercise, and kind of tap into those motivation areas as well. All right, our next session is doing a deeper dive into the 3 areas of physical activity. We'll talk to you next time.